Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by acknowledging one key fact. Chrome for Android won't load desktop extensions. Once you accept that, install a Chromium-based browser that supports desktop extensions, like Kiwi or Yandex. Make sure the app is up to date, then open its settings and enable developer or experimental features if present. This initial move gets you to an environment that can host extensions, so you can proceed to add and manage the exact extensions you need. Once the browser supports extensions, switch the view to desktop mode so the Chrome Web Store loads properly. Search and install the extension you want, and when prompted, accept only the permissions you need. After installation, open the Extensions Options page to configure behavior and sign in if required. Make sure to pin the extension to the toolbar or enable it in the browser's Extensions menu so you can access it quickly. This ensures to finish, test each extension on the websites or workflows you'll use most, and restart the browser after making major changes. If an extension misbehaves, disable other extensions to find conflicts, then clear the browser cache or app data and reinstall if necessary. If Chrome Mobile remains a hard requirement and extensions still won't work, consider remote desktop access to a desktop Chrome session or convert small tasks into bookmarklets or user scripts. That single troubleshooting tip, isolate conflicts, solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.